Through there's no T at the end of through.
What?
I said root.
Root.
Come on, math teacher.
Alright. Find the midpoint. Then find the perpendicular line that goes through that midpoint.
Is that it?
And then find the y-intercept of that line.
You know why I find it so
did not start yet.
We're starting right now. Alright, let's erase this part so I have some room.
Oh my god, so we don't need that?
Just leave it on your paper.
Yeah, you need it, but I don't. Alright, ready?
No.
Alright, here we go. How do I make the line? How do I make... Yeah, I did.
You just draw it.
No.
This is why math is extra. We don't need to be doing all this. We're doing the most.
I started it.
I'm really gonna cry.
I know, and then I started again.
Sorry.
Okay, we're taking up time. Come on.
Okay, go.
What do I do?
You draw the line.
No.
Y equals mx.
You find the midpoint.
Yes, y equals mx plus b.
Oh, yeah. Why
You find the midpoint.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
we gotta find the midpoint. How do I find the midpoint?
Y equals mx plus b.
Which is no.
X1.
The midpoint is not y equals mx plus b. What?
Oh my god. Okay, x1 plus x.
Yes.
Y.
X1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2.
Parentheses.
So, 2 plus 3 over 2. 4 plus negative 6 over 2. 5 over 2. And
-1.
negative 2 over 2. So we got 1 1/2 and negative
No,
1.
2 1/2.
2 1/2. There you go. Better math. Thank you. All right. So that's what is that called?
That's
The midpoint.
called midpoint.
The midpoint. Good. Okay. So we know what we have. We have the midpoint. We know what this is. Does that make sense? Is that at about 2 1/2 and negative 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I drew it better, it would be. Okay. That's the purple part. Next, I got to find the perpendicular line. Oh, shoot. Don't I have to find the line then first? I have to find this slope.
No, you don't.
Then I have to find the perpendicular slope, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what's this? How do I find this slope? Flip it.
Smack it. Rub
Smack
it
it.
down.
No, well, that's distance.
Wait, what?
Oh my god.
We don't rub it down all the time.
Rub it down.
Sound like a guy. All right?
Find the head.
Flip it and smack it once in a while. That's it.
What?
No, we're not finding the head.
No,
We're doing flip it and smack it. Come on.
Okay.
Slope. Slope. M.
So
Finding the slope. That's it. Find the slope.
Find the slope.
yeah.
So we have 4 over 2.
4 over 2.
Negative 6 over.
4 over 2. Negative 6 over 3.
Yes. Okay. That flips it, right? Then we smack it.
Smack it.
Smack, smack, run. That is M right there. We just didn't do the math yet. Okay. So, what is 4 minus minus 6?
2. 10.
I don't know.
Oh.
10. What is 2 minus 3?
14.
Negative 1. Okay? So that is your slope. Okay? But what is your perpendicular slope?
I don't fucking know.
-1 over 10.
Close.
What?
1 over 10.
How? Oh.
Gotta flip it and smack it. Again.
I mean, what was a negative?
That's a lot of flipping and a lot of smacking.
Yes, it is. Now remember, if this is negative, the perpendicular is going to be positive. If this is negative, the perpendicular is going to be positive.
I mean,
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
wait, I have a question though.
Too legit to quit.
God,
What's-
these freaking pens are so
Okay.
good.
What's MP and then N?
I can't keep up.
What?
Oh, the
It's
right
midpoint.
or the slope.
The midpoint, and this is the slope.
Can I use your blue pen?
Is this all
Start one.
one problem? I
Yeah.
don't know where to put it.
Okay?
I can't find it.
Thanks.
Alright, so we know the perpendicular slope. right? We need to find the equation.
No, we don't.
So how do I find the equation? What point am I going to use?
B. Why? Why does that?
That's the one we're looking for. But what point am I going to use? What does this slope have to go through? What point's really important?
The midpoint.
Midpoint.
So 10
So we're going to use this midpoint and this slope to find out what?
Y-intercept.
The y-intercept. Okay.
Yeah. We
So-
have 4 minutes.
We go y equals mx plus b, right? Got this equation? And then I say, well, shoot, y is how much? -1. And I say, well, what's x? 2.5. I might want to write it as 5/2. It's fine. What's m?
1/10 over
1/10.
Oh, shit.
1/10. Okay? Right?
Please excuse this interruption.
What's b?
After the fourth period, will the middle school, high school students of the month please go to the canoes immediately after fourth period? Again,
Immediately.
students of the month, please go to the canoes immediately.
I had a joke, and now it's not going to be funny.
What? Say it.
Say it.
What's b?
B.
Huh?
Wait, I don't know.
What is b? And well, if we knew what b was, we wouldn't be doing this.
I'll be here all week.
It took me a second.
Alright, alright. It's still not funny, but it's okay.
It's because we're singing.
We almost done.
Alright, so cancel it out. 5 goes into 10 twice, right? That's 2 times 2. So -1 equals 1/4 plus b. So what am I going to do?
Wait, hold on. What was that? 5/2?
Solid.
Yeah. So then subtract 1/4, subtract 1/4. And what's -1 minus 1/4? -1 and 1/4, right?
Just kidding.
So that's my b. Right? So what's the point? Get it? What's the point? So good.
Okay.
The point is 0, -1, and 1/4. That's the point that creates the isosceles triangle.
That's so stupid because you can just look at a triangle and be able to tell what the center is and be like, you don't need to be doing all the factors stuff to do it.
You wouldn't have found this.
Yeah.
You so hard to
Not if there wasn't a triangle given.
You done?
We should
Right, that's it.
Really? Okay.
We shouldn't have triangles.